symbol of release, that we relinquish the things that are attached to us, to let go. If that helps you in this part of our time, please do so and just hold your hands up with your palms up as a gesture of release. And I will read these verses twice. May I have the verses back, Bong? Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it. But whoever loses their life for me and for the gospel will save it. He must be greater. I must become less. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it. But whoever loses their life for me and for the gospel will save it. He must become greater. I must become less. I think we can proceed to our closing liturgy, if that's okay. It's very simple. You know what to say. I just need to put the screen so you can see the candle. Can you see that candle?
Yeah.
It's been burning that whole time. So we are here in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
We are not
not
alone.
Thank you. And you can put back all of us. Bond, please. Thank you. And that's the end of our time. And there is a postscript where Carmena would like to facilitate just what to do from here on. Unmute. Unmute, Carmena, unmute. There you go.
Okay. Before I forget, let's all face the screen and I'll have a picture of everyone.
Madilim ako. Yung profile ko na lang muna.
Okay.
Sorry.
Picture taking. Smile. 1, 2, 3. One more time.
Okay.
Okay. I know we have about 3 minutes to end our meeting, but try to be brief. So my question is, like we have sent you an email, what's next? What do we do after this? Any interaction? Everyone has been saying, I heard this when the beginning of our session, we said we value the reconnecting, sharing of experiences, and it's nice to see old faces, and we learned many new things from this group. So the question is, what will you do after this? What time comments?
Meet again.
Meet again. Who said that?
Elsie.
Me.
Oh, okay, Elsie, meet again. Okay.
I second that, pero sana in person.
Oh,
Sa Philippines, no?
wow.
Future plan.
Actually, this was one of Lenny's conversation. Remember, Lenny? I think we talked about this about 2 years ago. When are we
Yeah.
going to meet? Sabi ko, pwedeng Zoom so that we can also meet people, friends from the Philippines. So, let's have a vote. Ano? Are we going to meet again? Lahat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So we all agree we will meet again. The next question is
When?
frequency.
Ayun.
When?
Frequency.
Every day? Monthly?
No.
Monthly? So what's your suggestion? We will have a vote. A monthly? Who wants to make it monthly? Napag-usapan namin sa grupo sa coordinators with Lisa, Flor, and this one, what we did for the past 2 weeks is 2 hours, because so that, like what Lisa was saying, we will have the appetizer. But I suggestion ko, when we meet again, let's just make it an 1 hour. Then probably we'll make it more lively and more sharing time and prayer and more, maybe more of a learning. So we'll go to that. So siguro maybe I'll jump before we decide on monthly or bi-monthly. Question, participants. Should we retain this small group that we have at this point, or should we invite other people to join our group? My any Mida, you have to unmute yourself, Mida. Nida, you have to unmute. Pindot the unmute. Sabi, akala ko kasi kanina hindi mo
Ayan, very good.
good.
Hanap
May
ni
nag-mute eh. Okay, question lang. Possible ba na magdagdag ng mga tao sa Zoom? Is it alright?
Ang
Kaya.
Zoom, walang problema Zoom kasi we can have 100 people. Pero the
Oh,
question,
really? Okay.
what do we want to maintain? Do you want to maintain this number, same group, or do you want to invite other people? I remember nabanggit ko to kay Lenny. Remember Lenny told me na it's nice to have this small group that since we have the same background, uh, nami-miss natin isa't isa. So, yun ang suggestion niya. Suggestion ko naman, ako personally, suggestion ko, we'll start with a small group. Itong group natin. 3 months from now, if we feel that we have to expand, then there's a time we decide whom we are going to invite in this small group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meron pa bang ibang senior makababata sa sabay natin?
Marami
Meron pa bang iba?
Marami
si Vilma.
Actually,
Vilma.
marami kaming names,
Oh, si Vilma.
Kaya lang, ayaw namin ng malaking grupo to start with this one. It's very difficult to have interaction and to really experience the retreat over Zoom. Lisa, is this your first time to do Zoom through the retreat through Zoom?
Of this nature on this subject. I mean, there are other, but I think we have to go back and say, when we set this out, did we accomplish our purpose? We were hoping that we could connect with everybody. It was really a guided conversation with a little bit of teaching here and there. So people come with different needs. So if we continue, I mean, we did not talk about everything that's related to aging. There are other topics, there are other books, there are other, so kung kumustahan lang, people may just want to do your own Zoom with a few people so you can pick up on conversation from the breakout group. But once we extend it larger, it has to be more guided in terms of how we share and what we share. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
Flor. Unmute yourself, Flor. Mahirap itong mga senior palagi nire-remind.
yung time constraint ang problema natin. Kaya, kung halimbawa, sabi mo, Carmena, 1 hour, may suggestion 1.5, hindi kasya pag
Lalo kung
marami.
marami, oo.
Oo.
Yeah, yun
Maliit.
ang problema natin dyan.
Maliit lang.
Okay.
Later on na lang magdagdag.
Oo nga. Yun ang gusto ko i-suggest na we'll maintain this small group. Then after probably meeting for 3 months, then we kind of
Evaluate.
reevaluate
Mm-mm.
how do we want to move on. And then, so, okay kayo na. So I think I'll go back to the question. Is it, what?
Si Melba may sinasabi
sorry,
kanina
Melba.
Melba, hindi ba sa grupo natin, sabi mo maganda tong ganito?
Unmute.
Unmute.
Unmute na lang lahat. Permanent unmute.
Di ba, Melbs, meron kang sinasabi na maganda tong ganitong grupo?
Oo.
Oo.
Actually, siguro, gradually lang we add, pero siguro it's good to maintain yung tayo muna.
Mm-mm.
Yung ating cohort.
Okay.
Tapos gradually, we invite some people. Pero for the meantime, siguro maganda na tayo muna.
Yeah. Also, kung kagaya ni Flor, she has
Natural.
another group that you can start. So
So, pwede
everybody
yun?
free to
Yeah.
start your own group.
So, do we have that permission?
Oh,
Kung
yeah.
merong a few friends, lalo na kung friends na hindi naman common sa ating lahat, pero we think they will benefit also from a similar thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we have
Yeah.
that freedom. Okay.
Yeah,
Kasi
I mean,
nasimulan na ni Flor, oo. So,
we don't have a copyright on this.
okay. Okay.
No.
Thank you.
So I think the idea is if there are people who are no
Of the
no
same.
connection, but from other networks, and you want to do it, and you have seen how it is done, you can do it your own way,
Okay.
but still addressing the issues of
Yes.
of
Okay,
aging.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I
No,
think ito
you know,
yung
You know the
sinasabi-
reason we are together because we actually is a natural cohort, no? Not because we want to be exclusive. I
Yeah. Mm-mm.
like that idea of
Ano na
exclusive.
yan? Ang
Pero
problema yung
we're a
battery.
natural cohort kasi lahat tayo naging staff worker almost at the same time. Hindi
Correct.
iba-ibang generations, hindi ba? Almost at the same time. So, that's something in common we have na hindi na natin kailangan i-rehearse
Correct.
yung history.
Oo.
We share the same history, no?
Correct.
Mm-mm.
And so we are sharing we could look forward, no? So yun ang advantage ng merong itong maliit na cohort. But of course, we can share with our other circles, no? Form other circles, no?
Yeah, that's right. That's what Lisa is saying. You can create your own group. Parang ripple effect to ng Zoom retreat. Okay, so summarize. Yes, we want to meet again. Frequency, we haven't decided yet. So we'll say once a month, bi-monthly.
Once a month.
Okay, Lina says once a month. Okay, let's have a schedule of once a month. If we think it's too very frequent, then later on we can decide and make it bi-monthly. Okay, so we'll have it monthly. So participants will maintain this small group. So as of now,
Yung format.
the fourth question is facilitator. Gusto ko sana i-assign si Flor pero ayaw niya na.
Oh, here's a thought. I thought we could have a rotating facilitator.
Okay.
You know, whoever, let's say for today is March, April, who would like to facilitate? So that person can do their own, whatever is the topic. It depends if we want it only for an hour. Then it will be either Elsie or maybe Kalayaan or Nati. So depende sa what you would like to address. So yun ang iyong chance to. So we have every month we change the facilitator. That's just a thought that I want to throw out.
Any interaction regarding that? One facilitator for every meeting?
Agree.
Agree.
Agree. Okay. Agree, Melba, pero hindi siya ano siya, mute siya. Okay, one facilitator. So, let's start in April. I suggest, kasi si Elsie, tingin ka sa akin, Elsie. Ayan, nakatingin si Elsie. Elsie had experience in doing retreats, right?
Yeah.
Somehow.
Retreat director.
Retreat director. So, siya ang
Humble.
first qualified. So, for April, we will have LC. Then, we can think, and suggestion nga ni Lisa, no? You email me the topics, no? You email me the topics. Then, if it's your interest, then you can volunteer that you'll be the one to facilitate. No?
Or Carmena, we can brainstorm on topics now for the next 2 minutes, just throw out topics. And then if that's something that you want to lead, then you can respond to Carmena, right?
Yep.
So Melba has to, lead.
I have another meeting. Okay, thank you, Melba.
Melba.
Bye-bye.
Our condolences, Melba.
Don't worry. I'll also assign you.
We'll be praying, Melba.
Yeah. Okay, so suggestions for topics.
One is dementia, which Nati mentioned. A second, I think, is practice dying from Melba. It's intriguing. Kaya gusto ko malaman what does she mean or what did she mean by practice dying.
Ako naman, practical suggestions on what to do after retirement. Ako personally, alam ko lang mag-computer, but I don't want to do crocheting. I don't want to do needle pointing.
Cooking.
I don't want to do cooking. So, computer na alam ko. So, I nice to have other ideas from the group. So, practical suggestions on after retirement. Grace, may suggestion ka? Ay, what topic? Newbies ito, bagong retiree ito.
Feeling ko nga parang saling puso ako sa inyo.
Hindi.
Lahat kayo,
Ako may
staff
naisip
worker,
habang
ako
nag-iisip si
hindi.
Grace.
Pinakabata.
All right.
Andisa, Elsie.
Preparing for your death.
Preparing
for your death.
Baka yun ang practice dying.
Practice dying, oo nga,
Practice
ano.
dying.
Baka related na doon. Pwede.
Ako, pwede ba?
Yeah?
Could we have something on hymn singing?
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
Maganda
Kasi
yun.
nami-miss ko na rin yung mga kante.
Oo.
Church namin, walang hymns.
Anong gusto
Talaga?
mo?
Kami lumipat
Praise and worship
sa puro
songs.
hymns.
That's good.
Lumipat kami ni Vic sa puro hymns. Yung younger children namin, iba ang church nila kasi hindi puro hymns.
Yeah.
Di ba marunong
Gusto ko yun.
Gusto ko rin yun. Nida, di ba marunong ka kumanta, Nida?
Yeah.
Sinidang imbahala doon.
Marunong ka kumanta, di ba?
Marunong kumanta, pero hindi ko alam kung acceptable sa inyo yung voice ko.
Okay.
Siyempre naman.
Okay.
Mahina.
Si Reddy, ang
Mahina
magaling
kumanta sa
dyan.
Zoom.
Mahirap nga lang hindi sabay-sabay.
Yun nga.
Yeah,
Oh, yun.
iba ang timing.
Hindi mag-solo-solo.
Suggestion ko, mag-pick ka ng mga videos na pwede natin pakinggan.
Yeah.
Yun ang gagawin mo. Mahirap kumanta as a group, but you can pick
Hindi sabay-sabay.
that you can present it and probably have a history. I don't know how creative you can
mag-discuss around that hymn.
about that hymn.
Reflection.
Oo, reflection.
Reflection. Okay. Madami na tayong topics.
Oo nga. Sige,
Nati,
kasi
dementia. Nati, anong
No.
topic mo kunin dito?
dementia.
Dementia, magaling ka dito. Actually, thank you very much
Pwede siya.
for the email. It was really very good. You want to take that topic, Nati?
What? Dementia?
Oo.
No, what
Oo.
when you're
Mental health or dementia.
mental health. Mental health.
Oh, maganda yun.
Oo. Tapos meron akong suggestion, Carmena. I appreciate your your suggestion na mag-facilitate ako ng April. Kaya lang may tinatapos kasi ako na mga deadline. So,
Okay.
ako actually, dahil may mga input ng konti si Ate Nati dun sa dementia at isa siya sa mga topics, kung papayag.
Ay, nakat off ka?
Oo. Nag-hang siya.
Please.
Nakat off. Na ano yung nakat off yung ano mo? Nag-brown out.
Brown
Nawala
out
siya.
sa Pampanga.
So actually gusto sabihin ni Elsie na gusto niya yung topic ni Nati na pinadala niya sa atin. So do you
Right.
think, Nati, pwede ka sa April?
Alanganin ako sa April kasi hindi ko pa sigurado kung anong sitwasyon ni Kuya Flor eh.
Okay.
Baka bumalik na naman ako doon. So, siguro,
So who wants to volunteer to host April? Actually, ako magbo-volunteer in terms of doing the technical stuff, setting up the Zoom kasi may account kami, so I can do that. Pero yung mag-facilitate, dapat may isang tao. So who wants to take the April? Maganda yung hymn singing.
Si Lenny pwede ring mag-lead, di ba? Pero depende sa topic.
Tsaka baka
Lenny, Nida, Lina, lahat tayo pwede.
Baka tayo may experience, di ba?
Yeah.
Para naging staff workers tayo.
Magaling tayo. Okay. I have 5 more minutes. Kailangan ko lang ng April so that we will go ahead and decide we will have the April, May, and June.
I suggest Lenny.
Sa April kasi pupunta kami sa Mexico sa April. So okay lang ako pero hindi April.
Anong week?
Anong date ba? Third Sunday? What are we talking about?
Yeah.
Anong April are we talking about?
Fourth, I don't know. First
third,
or fourth?
Third, ha? Ano na ngayon? 9 March.
Today is the second Sunday.
So second Sunday is okay with you guys?
Wag second Sunday kasi every second Sunday patlak namin. Nagmamadali akong umalis kanina.
Pagod si Nati. Okay.
First Sunday, let's make it first Sunday. Hindi. Ay, alam mo, ganito gagawin kasi malapit na yung April, no? Why don't April, May? Why don't we start on May?
Yeah, start in May.
We'll start on May. First Sunday of May or Monday of May.
Pwede na si Elsie nun.
Elsie, pwede ka na daw? Ay, nako.
Wala siya.
Wala daw siya. Okay.
Oh, she's back. She's back.
Oh, she's back.
Naka-mute.
Unmute mo, Elsie. Elsie. Elsie, hindi kayo marinig. Elsie, unmute mo. Ay, hindi daw pwede ma-unmute. Kahit ano sigaw mo, hindi ka namin marinig.
Hindi siya naka-unmute.
Kahit ano sigaw mo, hindi kita marinig.
Ayaw niyang maka-click. Click ko na. Sorry. Na-dead kasi yung laptop ko kaya nasa phone na ako ngayon. Sorry. Ayaw niyang maka-mute kanina. Anyway, pwedeng wag muna ako.
Okay. Lahat ayaw.
Di ba hindi rin pwede si Ate Nati sa May? Kung May tayo magsimula? Dun sa dementia?
Hindi kasi si Kuya Flor.
Okay.
Pag na-discharge siya sa April.
Okay.
Hindi ako sigurado, lalo na ngayon may nangyari sa kapatid eh. Magna-90 na rin ang kuya ko sa August.
Ayoko. Okay. Walang gustong mag-ano.
Where is Flor? Flor, you want to take that? Flor? May 4th?
May 4.
Or May 5?
Meron kang topic, di ba, Flor?
Anong topic?
Meron kang sinasuggest na topic.
Sinasuggest ni, yung
dying, di ba?
Practice
of dying.
Ayun, kay Mel ba yun? Yung practicing dying. Baka pwede, pero siguro 1 hour lang or 1.5. Kasi I find it, for me personally, ang daming i-prepare, ang daming
Yung
I mean, I'm not a multitasker, kaya hindi rin, ano.
Huwag ka mag-alala sa technology. Si
Hindi.
Carmela.
I mean, hindi ako nag-aalala sa technology. Nag-aalala ako sa content at saka sa preparations. Okay, kasi wala nang pwede. Provisionally.
Absent ba kami o hindi?
Baka walang sumipot.
O sige, May, pero don't expect na pareho ng format or pareho ng amount of time.
Alam ko,
Na
kanya-kanyang
flexible.
format.
Oo, kanya-kanyang format, bigyan ng freedom yung magpapacilitate. Basta magkakaintindihan lang tayo lahat. At saka,
sige.
we are within the topic of aging.
It's only 1 hour, Flor. 1 hour. You make sure na 1 hour lang talaga tayo. Ito lang kasi it's something, di ba pag kumain ka ng appetizer, kailangan maraming appetizer kakainin mo. Ito sa'yo, dessert na lang sa'yo para 1 hour. Okay?
Okay.
Yay, thank you, Flor.
So let me just make it clear na kung facilitator ka, you have Carmena as your support. So kung yung sending the link for the time, so hindi mo na po problemahin yon. If you don't have to be, with slides, hindi na kailangan yun. I mean, we don't need slides to control and have someone.
PowerPoint.
Wala ng PowerPoint and all of that. We just wanted to put it in that context. So, you have a topic, tapos ito ang naiisip mo, and then give us some content, and then everybody, it's free-flowing feedback on that one topic. So, I mean, I think it will look simpler if we put it in 1 hour. Ikaw ang facilitate, tapos meron kang katulong sa, all we need to do is send an invitation for May 4th, Sunday for us in the US, May 5th sa iyo, that, Flor is facilitating and this is the topic. If you want us to think ahead of the topic, you can send us an assignment, but it's not compulsory. So free, we don't want to put so much pressure on ourselves on the continuing of this. I mean,
yeah. Otherwise, it will become a burden to us.
No, we don't want it to be a burden.
High blood ako niyan.
Yeah. No,
we want it to be like a time to learn at saka excited tayo sa topic. Hindi kinakailangang pagandahan or something. But let's just be ourselves.
There's no competition.
Who you are and yun lang. And then we can pray together. Importante. And basta nasa context tayo ng topic of aging.
And even though we have our own format, but we did have a very good model this time. They just the heart, the mind, and the soul, no? Hindi lang cerebral, hindi lang emotional. It really engaged the soul and the mind and the heart.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lisa kasi raised the bar of facilitating. Kaya,
yun ang hirap, ano?
Which we are thankful for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kung gusto mo, Flor, magpa-tutor ka muna kay Lisa bago.
Nagtututor na nga kanina di ba?
Siya na yung staff worker mo.
Nadinig mo, nagtututor na kanina. Nagbigay na siya ng good suggestions.
Yeah,
right.
Okay. So
okay
ganun,
din yun, may sariling style si
Flor. Keep it simple, keep it accessible, walang high blood pressure, walang anything. Yung topic mo, you don't have to research it either. Kung gusto lang pag-usapan yun, I mean, make it a natural conversation. Ano mga thoughts mo? Have some initial thoughts, of course, pero yeah.
Tulad nga na sabi ni Harvey, just do it.
Alam niyo, parang ang daya kasi nung kinakausap ko si Lisa tungkol dito sa Zoom, sabi ko, Lisa, I want to learn from you. I want to sit in your class. Gusto ko lang talagang makinig, mag-learn, pero hindi magturo or hindi
Flor, Or hindi ba meron kang libro? Share mo sa amin yung insights mo doon sa libro. You did.
When God tells you to rest.
No?
Yeah. Paano how not to be burned out when you're old.
When you're aging.
Pwedeng mangyari yun eh.
Okay.
Oo nga.
Okay, so,
Kasi ang problema natin, baka ang ini-expect yung magpa-facilitate expert. Wala naman expert natin because we are still in the process of aging.
Yeah.
So, what we need to do is to discuss ano yung issues na na-encounter natin. And what has been helpful to one, you found it very helpful. So, we may learn from that. Hindi tayo experts. I think we're just sharing.
Right.
Sharing.
Exactly.
Okay. Sarap. Pero make sure we have time for kwentuhan. Masarap ang kwentuhan. It took us 30 minutes to decide. Anyway.
Ako 3 minutes.
Mabuti nga hindi tayo nag-create ng committee to decide.
Sandali. Pero yung suggestion ko na isang meeting naman, magkita tayong lahat sa isang lugar, in person.
We can talk about that. Actually, meron din dream si Flor. Flor, briefly, sabihin mo sa amin kung anong dream mo tungkol sa grupo na to. Yung tungkol sa libro. I-close mo yung mouth mo. I-close mo. Okay, pwede ka na magsalita.
Hindi, itong dream na to, noong pang 2002, na nag-meet kami din ni Lisa, Carmena, and Lina. Tapos sabi ni Carmena, actually dream mo to, sana one day we can have a book about middle-aged ladies in IVCF who will influence other middle-agers. Yun, kaya ngayon parang naano namin, ano kaya magkaroon ng libro about all this, about our age now, and to inspire those who will be entering this season. Yun. I don't know how it will pan out anyway.
Pag-pray natin. Actually, si Christy Hutare, dapat siyang IT natin ngayon, kaya lang meron siyang gagawin eh. So, pinakita ko sa kanya topic. Naku, gustong-gusto ko yan. Magre-retire para man ako. Marami akong matutunan sa inyo. So, naisip ko, naku, kung merong book, something to share with them, it's really good. Pero yung book na yan, matagal pa yan. Okay.
Teka muna. Pwede bang mag-invite din?
Hindi, sabi natin tayo lang muna.
No. Somebody who is really experienced na yung ginawa ni Lisa, mas maraming experience about aging at saka spiritual din.
I mean, pwede kayo mag-invite
resource.
Yes, speaker. Okay. Kung yan ang feeling nyo, kung yan ang creativity nyo na mag-invite ng speaker, that's great. As long as it's only for 1 hour. Tsaka give time to really chat. Okay? Maraming salamat sa lahat. Lisa, Flor, and Lina, please stay. Si Nida siguro alam niya na paano mag-off, ano?
Hopefully.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Salamat. Thanks na.
Ayan, leave na ako.
Grace, Lani, Elsie.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.